Hello, and welcome back to Empower Your Mind. Have you ever received help from someone but didn't know how to say thank you properly? Maybe you only knew how to say thanks, but weren't sure how to express your gratitude in a more formal or polite way. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to learn 30 useful English sentences that you can use to say thank you in different situations. 15 of these sentences are for informal situations, and 15 are for formal ones. These phrases are simple, respectful, and perfect for beginners. Here's how today's listening will work. You will listen 2 times. The first time, we'll play each sentence twice, once at normal speed and once at slow speed without script. Try to listen carefully and guess the meaning. The second time, we'll play each sentence twice, once at normal speed and once at slow speed with the script on screen. This way, you can improve both your listening and your understanding step by step. So get ready. Find a quiet place, focus your ears, and let's begin learning real English for real situations. Let's start. Formal ways to say thank you.
Thank you very much for your assistance. 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 I truly appreciate your support. 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 I'm sincerely grateful for your help. 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 I am deeply thankful for your kindness. 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 Thank you kindly for your time and effort. 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 I greatly appreciate your consideration. 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 I can't thank you enough for your professionalism. 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 I am extremely grateful for the opportunity. 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 Please accept my heartfelt thanks. 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 I appreciate your prompt response. 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 Thank you for your attention to this matter. 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 I'm indebted to you for your help. 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 Thank you for your cooperation. 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 I'm very appreciative of your efforts. 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 Many thanks for your continued support. Many thanks for your continued support. Many thanks for your continued support. Many thanks for your continued support.
Informal ways to say thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a ton. Thanks a ton. Thanks a ton. Thanks a ton. I owe you one. I owe you one. I owe you one. I owe you one. Can't thank you enough. Can't thank you enough. Can't thank you enough. Can't thank you enough. You're the best, thanks. You're the best, thanks. You're the best, thanks. You're the best, thanks. Big thanks to you. Big thanks to you. Big thanks to you. Big thanks to you. Cheers, mate. Cheers, mate. Cheers, mate. Cheers, mate. Thanks a million. Thanks a million. Thanks a million. Thanks a million. I appreciate it, really. I appreciate it, really. I appreciate it, really. I appreciate it, really. You're awesome, thanks. You're awesome, thanks. You're awesome, thanks. You're awesome, thanks. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Thanks heaps. Thanks heaps. Thanks heaps. Thanks heaps.
Great job, everyone. You've just learned 30 useful and practical English sentences for saying thank you. These phrases will help you express gratitude politely and confidently in both formal and informal situations. Remember, the more you listen and repeat, the more natural it will feel. Don't worry if you didn't understand everything the first time. Learning takes practice. Try to use some of these sentences next time you want to say thank you, or even when practicing with a friend. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Empower Your Mind for more useful English listening practice. Thanks for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson, and happy thanking!